We have a new wall put up. Also, we had a ton of rain, and we're worried this tarp is not holding up, so...
There's a hole in it, right over where we previously put up the framing, and we never fixed it, so we could have just ruined everything.
The truth hurts. Let's take a look.
You feel like summer days to me, wanting the sun rays.
It's wet.
Yeah, it is.
Well, we haven't sealed this board, and it's tilted up, which means the rain from the outside was all coming in and dropping. So this is all soaked. The wood here is soaked.
First things first, before we get to anything else, we have to repair the tarp. There's a ton of rain in the forecast, and it's leaking.
You say nothing at all when we meet, yet somehow I know your history. Oh, come what may, I'm ready. Picture frames, lavender paint, they all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one. Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
This is day 3 of non-stop rain. We had plans to work. Look at this. That's heavy. Yeah, we're kind of trapped between a water drop and a water balloon here. So we're not going to be working inside the motorhome today. We don't have any projects lined out that we could do in the garage, so I think what you're about to see next.
We might like clean some trimming inside. Instead of building, the bunk, we're just gonna build some burritos or something.
Oh man, that's actually way more exciting than this. Yeah, this is the great unknown, what you're about to see. We're winging it now because plans ruined. Now let's go. Do we need an air compressor for burritos? Days like this, where it's just raining nonstop and we had plans to work on the motorhome and all that fun, are so freaking discouraging. It's raining way more than we're used to here in Southern California. We have so much to work on and get done, and we get all amped up and ready, and then, you know, it dumps and dumps and dumps and dumps some more. So instead, we still want to be productive. What we're going to do is bring whatever we can inside, scraping trim pieces. It's so much fun. Oh man, we look forward to it every time. But more importantly, we are going to do some research. These are perfect days to start planning ahead. We have an electrical system to account for. We have a layout to think about. There's so much we can do, even though we can't be directly working on it. So I'm gonna crawl inside the motorhome and grab some of our literature, some of the books we made up, some of them that were already in the motorhome when we bought it, and just do research and be productive. So there's always something to do. Try not to get soaked. One positive here, it is not actively dripping like it was on the last rainstorm about a week ago. We patched up the tarp. We literally pulled it off, laid it out, and found every little scrape and hole, whatever, that was causing this to leak. Fixed it, threw it back on, so it's holding up, and thank goodness, because it's been 3-4 days of nonstop rain. Our trusty Toyota pickups, Haynes manual. We put together this little book for the future solar setup for our motorhome here. All of this is from explorers.life. Their YouTube is incredible when it comes to the planning, the execution of your electrical components. So we got it all priced out, everything we need. We will go into detail more about that in an upcoming video. But the electrical system on this thing is toast, so we're gonna redo it completely. Last but not least, this was put together by the previous owners. So this is all the work that's ever been done. This is all the manuals for any appliances or features within the motorhome. So plenty of there to study. I think we got enough coursework laid out for us. So there's this little doodad that came with the motorhome that we thought was super cool, and we keep it hung up, but we totally just realized it looks like the Endless Adventure motorhome that they renovated. Check it out. Don't be checking out my butt. I said don't be checking out my butt. You all know what that is, right? It won't work on stud mode, sad, but it does work on metal. All right. What's your least favorite thing about this?
This?
Oh yeah.
No, it's fine. It's just boring and repetitive. And it hurts my back sitting like this.
This is on the front facing side. This is the side that's not supposed to have anything but like this little rubber inset piece. and somebody caked this full of like caulking or I don't know, some product, and mad. This is so lame. Shite. Hey, well, we made the most of it. The sun kind of came out and we've been cooped up for the last few days. Poor Bayleaf, she has so much energy and we usually run her every day. So today was...
She got the bit of sun today, not
Yeah.
the RV. That's okay.
But she is tired and she wants to go inside. So do we.
She's like, who are you talking to?
Thank you so much for checking out the video this week. And
Until next time.
till next time.